Let us study what is rubber, how to prepare rubber, that is the vulcanization of rubber, under the point production of substances. Rubber is of two types. One is natural and one is artificial. Artificial rubber is made up with the help of chemicals, different chemicals, and natural rubber is obtained from the gum or sap of the trees. In India, most of the rubber trees are found in Kerala. Like other trees, like apples, mangoes trees, there are rubber trees also found. Rubber is extracted from these trees. It is the sap or the gum which is released out of this rubber tree. This sap or gum which is released out of the rubber tree is called the latex of the tree. Rubber has a peculiar odor and it is white in color. Vulcanization of rubber. What is vulcanization? Vulcanization means doing process for the rubber and giving it in different shapes, undergoing for different shapes for different objects like rubber toys, erasers, rubber tires, etc. We require rubber for different preparation of different things. For that we require sometimes hard, sometimes soft rubber. So according to the hardness and softness of the object, vulcanization of rubber is done. In this process, rubber is heated with sulfur for 3 to 4 hours. To give hardness to the rubber, sulfur is mixed in it. So when sulfur is mixed in rubber and it is heated for 3 to 4 hours, this rubber gets hardened. Depending on the object, whether the object is to be soft or whether the object is to be hard, the proportion of sulfur is added when the rubber is heated. So if we want the object to be hard, made up of rubber, more amount of sulfur is added in the rubber while heating. If you want the object to be soft, less amount of sulfur is added when the rubber is heated. Considering a rubber band is very soft. So in that case, sulfur is used in very less proportion. If we consider tires of bike, tires of four-wheelers, these objects are hard enough. Though they are made up of rubber, but still they are hard. So to make them more hard, we require more amount of sulfur to be added when we heat the rubber. Eraser, rubber balls, rubber toys all have varying proportion of sulfur in them. In rubber bands, the proportion of sulfur is very small. Throughout the world, in Brazil, more amount of rubber trees are found. Abundance of rubber trees are found, that is in Brazil. And in India, rubber trees are found in maximum production in Kerala. Our next point is manufacturing paper, the process of manufacturing paper. With this picture on textbook page number 45, you can see that basically paper is made up of plants, that is trees. But how do trees get converted to the paper? Let's study with this picture first and then we will discuss the explanation regarding it. First of all, there are big trees. Trees are cut down into logs of wood. Okay, logs of wood means bigger bars of wood. They are cut down into bigger logs of wood. After that, peeling of log is done. Peeling means removing the outer skin, the outer bark of the log. So that peeling is done. Once the peeling is done, they are cut down into small pieces. Okay, they are cut down into small pieces. Then dye is added. Dye means different colors. We require pink color, we require blue color. So what all different colors we require, we add the different colors into the pieces of that log. After adding dye, that pieces are converted into pulp. Pulp means you must have seen jelly, right? How is it? It is pulpy. So those pieces are again made into pulp. After mixing, after crushing, they are made into pulp. And then this pulp is pressed under the roller, and finally the pulp obtains the shape of the paper. In the beginning, the paper is in large, long bundles. Okay, large and long bundles. As much we require the quantity, the shape and size, we can cut down the paper and we can make use of it. Paper is the substance or material formed due to intervening of cellulose fibers in grass, wood, rags or waste papers. Thus, paper is a kind of network of cellulose fibers. Now we have already discussed how paper is made. Coniferous trees like pine are used to make paper. The bark of the logs of these trees is first removed and the wood is broken down into small pieces. The mixture of these pieces and some chemicals is kept for soaking for a long time. It helps to form pulp. When the chemical process is completed, the fibrous substances from wood pulp are separated and some dyes are added. The pulp is then passed through rollers, dried to form paper and finally wound on reels. Paper and wood are closely related. To save trees, it is necessary to use paper sparingly. So you have understood now what is the production of paper, what we have to do when we want to make papers. How is paper produced? By which way trees are cut down and then formed into paper. So out of this we understand that paper completely depends upon the trees. So to save trees, it's our duty, it's our individual duty to save the papers too. We should not waste paper. The papers which have one side blank can be used for further purposes also. Thank you.